Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a quick Chanel unboxing to share with you. This is another item to match my new dark turquoise vanity case with rainbow hardware. So I'm going to get right into the unboxing and make this a quick one. And again, shout out to my Instagram friend who helped me get this. Thank you so much, you are the best. So here is the beautiful Chanel packaging. Let's take the camellia off. This is a true unboxing. This literally just arrived and I just took it out of the outer box and I'm opening it with you. So this will be the first time I've seen this in person. So here's the Chanel box and the Chanel dust bag. I think this is the receipt, so I'm just gonna take that away because it has personal information on it. Here is the care booklet. Oh, I'm excited to see this one. And here she is. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So as you can see, this is the dark turquoise card holder, the flat card holder. I guess the full name would be the Filigree flat card holder in dark turquoise with rainbow hardware. Oh, it's so pretty, so pretty. And let me just take out the authenticity card. So it is a 26 series. And what else is in here? This is the tag information. So here is the information if you are interested in this item. And it was $600, and this is US dollars. The Chanel that I usually shop at here in Toronto did not order any of these small leather goods, so I did have to get them from the US. So it has a card slot. I'm not going to take all the little cardboard pieces out, but so it's got a card slot here, one in the middle, show you that, and then two more card slots on the back. And this is the grained lambskin, just like the bag and the other SLGs. So that is my newest purchase. I'm so happy to have this. I do have the large snap card holder as well to match my vanity case, and I'm just really obsessed with this this collection. It's just so gorgeous, so I really wanted to get my hands on another piece. And I'm still searching for the zippy coin purse in this collection as well, so it seems to be sold out everywhere though. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. FashionJunkie33 is my handle there. Thanks so much and have a great day.